So dear student, our next topic for this AC circuit is LC oscillation. So what is the LC oscillation? So here we can say that first, what is the LC oscillation? So inductor and capacitor are connected in parallel combination, right? So for this parallel combination of this capacitor and inductor, the energy oscillate, or you can say charge oscillate between inductor and capacitor. Okay, so this phenomena is known as LC oscillation. Okay, so first we draw the circuit of this LC oscillation. So here capacitor and inductor are connected in parallel combination. Okay, so you can say it is a positive, it is a negative, it is a positive, it is a negative, it is a capacitor and it is a inductor, right? So both connected in parallel combination. You can say I amount of current pass through the circuit. Okay, so first we prove theoretically that the oscillation is simple harmonic motion, right friends? So here we apply Kirchhoff's rule, apply Kirchhoff's second law in the circuit, right? Therefore you can say that minus L into di by dt plus q by c is equal to 0. Okay, तो ये कैसा है? So you can say VL plus VC is equal to 0. So VL is equal to minus L into di by dt, VC that is a q by c that is equal to 0. Okay, now see here we'll write equation like this. So here we can say that let I is equal to dq by dt, therefore di by dt is equal to d square q by dt square, right? So substitute here. So you can say that therefore minus L into d square q by dt square plus q by c is equal to 0. Okay, so here the charge is going on decreasing, that's why here we place negative sign. Therefore L into d square q by dt square plus q by c is equal to 0. Now divide this equation by L. So you can say d square q by dt square plus q by LC that is equal to 0. Okay, so here this equation is a equation for LC circuit. It is a differential equation for LC circuit. It is what? Differential equation for LC circuit. Okay, and this equation is similar to this equation is similar to d square x by dt square plus omega 0 square into x is equal to 0. Okay, and this is a differential equation and this is differential equation for simple harmonic motion. Okay, so when you compare this equation, when we compare equation, when we compare equation, therefore you can say omega 0 square is equal to 1 upon LC, therefore omega 0 is equal to 1 upon root of LC. Okay, and it varies as it is a angular frequency. It is what? It is angular frequency and varies sinusoidally with time. Q is equal to Qm cos omega 0 t plus phi. Okay, so here we can say that at t is equal to 0 हमारे पास चार्ज है वो है मैक्सिमम, that is here you can say Q is equal to Qm. Okay, so here when you substitute here Q is equal to Qm is equal to Qm cos omega 0 t plus phi, therefore you can say cos omega 0 t plus phi is equal to 1, therefore you can say phi is equal to 0 degree. Okay, therefore here we can say that thus Q is equal to Qm cos omega 0 t and I is equal to minus dq by dt, that is equal to minus d by dt of Qm cos omega 0 t, that is equal to cos का होगा माइनस साइन, so it will be plus Qm cos omega 0 t का होगा sin omega 0 t and once again omega 0 is the multiply, so you can say I is equal to Im sin omega 0 t. Okay friends, so it is a whole derivation about this LC oscillation. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में देख रहे हैं हम कि हाउ दिस वेरिएबल, बराबर. तो इनिशियली हम देख रहे हैं कि ये जो पहला डायग्राम है A, तो A में कैपेसिटर फुल्ली चार्ज है और इंडक्टर में एनर्जी ज़ीरो है. ओके, दैट मीन्स कैपेसिटर की एनर्जी रहेगी दैट इज़ अ Qm स्क्वायर बाई 2c एंड व्हाट इज़ द एनर्जी फॉर इंडक्टर, दैट इज़ अ ज़ीरो. बट जैसे ही टाइम पास होता जाएगा देन व्हाट हैपन कि ये चार्ज है, मतलब कैपेसिटर की एनर्जी डिक्रीज होती जाएगी और इंडक्टर की एनर्जी इंक्रीज होती जाएगी. तो एट सी पॉइंट जो कैपेसिटर की एनर्जी है वो ज़ीरो हो जाएगी और इंडक्टर की एनर्जी मैक्सिमम हो जाएगी, दैट इज़ व्हाट एल आई स्क्वायर 1/2 एल आई स्क्वायर, बराबर. नाउ वंस अगेन द सेम प्रोसेस कि फिर अब धीरे धीरे क्या होगा कि इंडक्टर की एनर्जी है वो कम होती जाएगी एंड एट वन साइड दिस सी पॉइंट द कैपेसिटर की जो एनर्जी है वो फुल हो जाएगी, राइट. सो बाय दिस वे द होल ऑसिलेशन टेक प्लेस. ओके, दैट मीन्स अगर हम उसको चार पार्ट में डिवाइड करते हैं तो सपोज ये सिचुएशन है हमारी t इज इक्वल टू 0, ये है t/4, ये है t/2, इट इज़ अ 3t/4 एंड इट इज़ अ t. ये पूरा साइनोसॉइडल कर्व है, राइट, इस तरह से. ओके, यहाँ पर ये पॉइंट है, ये पॉइंट है, ये पॉइंट, दिस वन एंड दिस वन. ओके, तो यहाँ पर एनर्जी जो है वो कन्वर्ट होती जाएगी. यही चीज़ ये पॉइंट पे दिखाया गया है. द इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी स्टोर इन ए कैपेसिटर इज Qm स्क्वायर बाई 2c. सिंस देयर इज नो करंट इन द सर्किट, inductor is 0. Okay, the total energy of this circuit, that is a Qm square by 2c. At Q is equal to 0, the switch is closed and a capacitor charge start to discharge. तो इसीलिए हमने I is equal to minus dq by dt लिया था. I is equal to क्या लिया था हमने, माइनस dq by dt. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पर चार्ज है वो डिक्रीज होता जाएगा. As the current increase, they set up a magnetic field in the inductor and thereby some energy gets stored in an inductor in a form of magnetic energy, that is a 1/2 Li square. At t is equal to t/4, the all energy stored in a magnetic field is a 1/2 LIM square. So maximum electric energy is equal to maximum magnetic energy. Now the capacitor does not have any charge and hence no energy. Thus the current now starts charging the capacitor as shown in a figure D. Okay, and by this way the process is going on. This process continue till the capacitor is fully charged. However, it is charged with a polarity opposite to the initial state, figure A. मतलब यहाँ पर ये है पॉजिटिव और यहाँ पर ये हो जाएगा फिर नेगेटिव, क्योंकि ये रिवर्स में चार्ज हो रहा है, राइट. मतलब पोलैरिटी है वो चेंज होती जाएगी. दैट इज द चार्ज ऑसिलेट बिटवीन टू प्लेट ऑफ अ कैपेसिटर, राइट. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नोन एज LC ऑसिलेशन. ओके, the whole process will now repeat itself till the system revert to its original state. Thus the energy in the system oscillate between the capacitor and the inductor. बराबर है, जो एनर्जी है वो ऑसिलेट होगी कहाँ कहाँ, इट बिटवीन कैपेसिटर एंड इंडक्टर, राइट. सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस फिनोमेना इज नोन एज LC ऑसिलेशन, राइट फ्रेंड्स. नेक्स्ट वन कि कंपेयर LC ऑसिलेशन टू मैकेनिकल ऑसिलेशन of a block attached to spring. ये क्वेश्चन है. ओके, कंपेयर LC oscillation to mechanical oscillation of a block attached to a spring, of a block attached to spring. ओके, मतलब फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पर ये जो डायग्राम है, यहाँ पर आपको जो नीचे वाला डायग्राम है इट इज़ अ ब्लॉक अटैच टू स्प्रिंग. ये स्प्रिंग है और स्प्रिंग के साथ ये ब्लॉक अटैच है, राइट. ये तो यही हमें एक्सप्लेन करना है, राइट फ्रेंड्स. सो हियर अगर हम फिर से इक्वेशन देखें, ओके, जो हमारा इक्वेशन था दैट इज़ अ d square q by dt square. our equation that is a d square q by dt square plus q upon LC that is equal to 0. okay, so this equation is similar to d square x by dt square plus omega 0 square into x is equal to 0, which is what differential equation for simple harmonic motion. Okay, what that is equal to a differential equation for simple harmonic motion, right friends. So here in case of mechanical system, अब हम कंपेयर करेंगे. सो यू कैन से F इज इक्वल टू ma. okay, that means you can say m into, you can say it is a dV by dt. okay, you can say it is nothing but m into d square x by dt square. okay, and for electrical system, for यहाँ पर कंपैरिजन हम करेंगे मैकेनिकल एंड इलेक्ट्रिकल सिस्टम के लिए. फॉर इलेक्ट्रिकल सिस्टम you can say epsilon is equal to minus L into di by dt, that is equal to minus L into d square q by dt square. okay, so comparing this to equation, we'll see that L is analogous to m. मतलब ये इक्वेशन को कंपेयर करते हैं, L जो है इज एनालोगस टू M. ओके, एंड इंडक्टेंस इज मेजर ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस टू मेक द चेंज इन करंट. ओके, एंड हियर वी कैन से दैट omega 0 is equal to 1 upon root of LC, and for mass of a spring and for mass of a spring you can say omega 0 is equal to root of K upon M. So 1 upon LC, so we can say 1 upon C is analogous to K, and thus constant K is equal to F by X. Tell us the force, external force required to produce the unit displacement, where 1 upon C is equal to V upon Q, or you can say V is equal to Q by C. So it is a potential difference required to store a unit charge. It is a potential difference required to store unit charge. ओके, चलो सी यही चीज़ हम देख लेते हैं एक बार फिर से. ये टेबल है. इन दिस टेबल it is analogous between mechanical and electrical quantities, that is a mass. Then here we can say mass is analogous to inductance, force constant K, it is a 1 upon C, displacement to charge, velocity that is a dx by dt. Then here it is analogous to current I is equal to dq by dt, mechanical energy that is a half kx square plus half mv square. Here you can say q square by 2c plus 1 by 2 li square, right? It is li square. And another similarities, that is between force oscillation and driven LCR circuit. Okay, what is it? Let us check it. So here it is between force oscillation and driven LCR सर्किट. सो फोर्स ऑसिलेशन के लिए इक्वेशन कौन सा था? तो इसके लिए आपको याद करना पड़ेगा स्टैंडर्ड 11 और इसमें ऑसिलेशन वाला चैप्टर, राइट. तो फोर्स ऑसिलेशन के लिए ये इक्वेशन है और LCR सर्किट के लिए ये इक्वेशन है. डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज अ x, द चार्ज इज अ q, टाइम सेम है, मास देन मास इज एनालॉगस टू सेल्फ इंडक्टेंस, damping constant, then resistance, spring constant K, it is the inverse of capacitance, that is the 1 upon C, driven frequency omega d, driven frequency omega, natural frequency omega, natural frequency of LCR is omega 0, amplitude of force oscillation is A, and maximum charge stored, that is the Qm, amplitude of driven force F0, and amplitude of applied voltage is Vm, right friends. So here by this way it is a conversion, or you can say it is a analogous to this. Okay.